Bandits always popular early bird special. For Sunday, February 28th, college basketball. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Recap, Moneymaker Bandits. Weekly, $30 USD package deal, premium place. 3-0 last night. Saturday, February 27th, 3 wins, 0 losses. With a UFC winner, NBA winner, and an NHL winner. 3-0. Bandit, 24 wins, 9 losses since February 6th and the start of weekly package deals. 73%, 24-9. Impressive. Can't get any better, can it? Oh, how about Hockey Guy? 27 wins, 9 losses, 75% winners. Impressive, Bandit. But no way you can do better than that. How about Team Bandit? That's Bandit and Hockey Guy. 29 wins, 8 losses since Wednesday, February 10th. 78% winners. You have Bandit 73% since February 6th. Hockey Guy 75%. Team Bandit 78%. What do you think? Can Bandit do better? Team Bandit, the last 7 days, you want to take a guess? 13 wins, 1 loss on premium plays, weekly package deals, $30 USD, 93% winners. Impressive, you say. So Bandit, 73%, Hockey Guy, 75%, Team Bandit, since Wednesday, February 10th, 78%. Team Bandit, last 7 days, 13-1, 93%. No way Bandit could do better than 93%. How about Bandit's UFC record since February 6th? 4 wins, 0 losses, 100% winners. Bandit with the 100% winners. 73%, 75%, 78%, 93%, and 100%. All for $30 USD weekly package deals. That's $30 for the week, $4.29 a day. Not $30 for the day these pro cappers charge you, or $100 for a week special, week package deal. Oh, but Bandit's VIP premium play package deal, $30 USD, sold out. There's only 10 VIP seats available on the Silver Bullet Express money train. All these stops Moneyville. So, sold out. You call up these pro cappers, any of them. There's what, 300-400 of them? You call them up with your credit card. Ask for a package deal. Let's see, talk to their salesperson if they're sold out. None of them. Bandit's the only professional paid pro capper in the world with a sold out package deal. Sold out. You could email Bandit today, say, "Man, I'll pay you $100 USD for the week for your place." Sold out. Sorry, sold out. Anyways, where are we? Early Bird Special. Bandit's always popular. Early Bird Special. Memphis versus Cincinnati. Bandit's playing. Oh, Bandit won his Early Bird Special yesterday. Memphis versus Cincinnati. Early Bird Special. Bandit's playing Memphis on the money line. Full game. Memphis money line full game. Quarter unit play. Moneymaker out.